Welcome back to Product Zone. After 1 week testing out this amazing AirPods T19, I gotta tell you, real good. Good sound, good bass, charges fast. I believe it lasts about 90 hours of playtime. It tells you right here how much percentage is the headphones. It's basically a charging case. You can see it's charging both of them. Really good. Comes with extra ear tip to fit the perfect ears. Comes with a nice little USB charger. Love this case. You could just plug it in right there. It's really good for working out, like running, fitness, exercise, gym, CrossFit, whatever you want to do. This is good. What I like about it too, the case open and close really nice. The headphones, you could easily remove it. Fits very soft and comfortable on your ears. Isn't like an extra nice soft rubber coating comes around it. Beautiful black color. Comes in different type of color, but really good. Fits all the way into your ears, really making it really quiet so you could hear more of your music. And you could see like the magnetic two-piece right there will goes automatically as soon as you put it in the case, and it charges right there. Close it up. Easy, quick connection, very lightweight, good for traveling, good for in your backpack or anywhere you want. Overall, the price is amazing, the quality is good. Thumbs up on Product Zone. Check in the description box for price and detail.